When you hire the flood law firm, you don't have to worry about coming up with money to hire a lawyer. When you hire the flood law firm, the fee is contingency fee based, and we will advance all of the costs or expenses that are involved to get you the justice that you deserve. An injured person never has to worry about costs or expenses when hiring the flood law firm. The fee is what's called a contingency fee, and what that means is that the fee is contingent on the recovery. So depending on what the recovery is, the fee is typically 1/3 of that. So if in the end a case were worth $0, there would be no fee whatsoever. If a case were worth $90,000, the fee would be 1/3 or $30,000. There are also costs or expenses that are involved in addition to the fees, so you do need to understand that there are fees and there are costs. The costs are true costs, true expenses. In other words, the cost to obtain medical records, the cost to file a lawsuit, the cost to hire a marshal, the cost to take a deposition or to hire an expert. I'm not compensated unless we prevail. If the case is worth $0, 1/3 of $0 is $0, and in that situation, I'm going to eat those costs. So I only take cases when I believe in a case, when I believe in a person, when I believe that they've suffered due to someone else's carelessness or negligence. When you've been injured, you're going up against a $1 billion insurance company. Let the flood law firm help you through this process.